In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a reusable email template in Constant Contact. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account. Use your regular login details and make sure you're in the correct account for the brand or organization you're working with. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can access all of your marketing tools. Next, head over to the Campaigns area. Depending on your layout, this might be labeled campaigns or emails. Either way, you're looking for the place where your past and draft email campaigns are listed. This is your central hub for finding existing work and starting something new. From here, decide whether you want to create a brand new email or open an existing design as your starting point. If you already have a design you like, opening it can save time. If not, choose to create a new email. You can usually start from a blank layout or select a basic theme that's close to your brand style. Now it's time to customize. Begin with the layout. Arrange sections so your content flows logically, from a clear header to your main message and a strong call to action. Adjust your colors to match your brand palette and ensure good contrast for readability. Add your logo in a prominent but not overpowering spot, typically near the top. Set your text styles for headings, subheadings, and body copy to keep everything consistent. Choose clean, legible fonts and a comfortable font size. Then work with blocks, drag in image blocks, text blocks, buttons, and dividers as needed. Keep spacing consistent, align elements neatly, and use buttons that stand out but still fit your color scheme. As you customize, think about mobile readers, shorter paragraphs, clear buttons, and images that scale well all help. If you include images with text overlays, make sure the message is also written in the body so it's accessible. When your design looks and reads the way you want, save it as a reusable template if the option is available. Look for a save as template or similar choice rather than a regular save. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can find it easily later. This locks in your layout, colors, logo placement, text styles, and default blocks as a brand-ready starting point. Finally, the next time you create an email, select your saved template from your template library or picker. Open it, replace the placeholder content with your new message, and keep the structure intact for brand consistency. If you evolve your style later, you can update the template or save a new version to keep everything organized.